What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Terminal on your Mac. Terminal is a powerful tool that lets you control your Mac using commands. And today, I walk you through some basic commands to get you started. First, let's open Terminal. There are a couple of ways to do this. The quickest way is to press Command and Spacebar to open the Spotlight search. Then type Terminal and press Enter. Alternatively, you can open Finder, go to the Applications folder, then Utilities, and double-click Terminal. Once Terminal is open, you'll see a window with a white background, a blinking cursor, and some text that shows you your username, the name of your Mac, and a percentage sign. This is where you type your commands. Let's start by learning how to navigate through your files and folders. Type ls and press Enter. This command lists all the files and folders in your current directory. To change the directory, use the cd command. For example, if you want to go to your desktop, type cd desktop and press Enter. If you want to go back to the previous directory, type cd ... and press Enter. You can always check where you are by typing pwd, which stands for Print Working Directory. It shows the full path of the current directory. Now that you know how to navigate, let's try some basic commands. To create a folder, type mkdir test folder and press Enter. This command creates a new folder called test folder in your current directory. To rename a file, use the mv command. For example, mv oldname.txt newname.txt renames oldname.txt to newname.txt. To delete a file or folder, type rm filename.txt to delete a file, or rm-r folder name to delete a folder and its contents. Be careful with this command because it permanently deletes files. You can also view and edit files directly in Terminal. To view the contents of a file, type cat filename.txt. This will display the file's contents directly in Terminal. While Terminal doesn't have a full text editor built in, you can use a simple text editors like Nano. Type nano filename.txt to open a file in the Nano editor, where you can edit and save changes. If you're unsure about a command, Terminal has a built-in manual. You can view the manual for any command by typing man followed by the command name. For example, man ls will show you all the options available for the ls command. Press Q to exit the manual. You can customize the look of your terminal to make it easier to use. Click on Terminal in the menu bar and then select Settings. In the Profiles tab, you can choose from different themes, adjust font sizes, and change the background color to suit your preferences. These are just the basics to get you started with using Terminal on your Mac. With practice, you can use Terminal to automate tasks, manage files more efficiently, and even perform advanced system operations. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.